Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you one DIY craft. So as you all can see in the screen, it is pom-poms. So pom-poms, it's making is easy, but getting that density and bushiness is little tricky kind of thing. So by showing all that tricks, we can make beautiful artificial pom-pom kind of flowers like this. So before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. As I told you, we are going to make a multicolor pom-pom. So I am making some 5 sizes. In that two already there here. So in the middle size I am going to make in multicolor. So as you can see, multicolor thread I have taken one bangle just to make the size. And basic tools like pen and scissor only. This is the only ingredients we require. So to wrap the pom-pom, we want some hard surface. As you can see, this hard surface, like this kind of things we would require. So here I am taking some two used bottles like this. So all that you require, you have to measure your length. Like as I told you, I am making now about some 3 to 4 inches of size pom-pom. So based on that, you have to take a little hard surface. So not to just slip out, I am just given a small knot here, and then I started wrapping it. So one wrap means like you will be getting 6 plus 6, 12 count. So likewise, I am giving here about 30 wraps. So 30 wraps in the sense altogether you will get about 180 count of the threads. So if you are going with a single color, you have to take 180 to 200 rounds. So if you take that many, as you can see, that much bushiness you will get here. So based on the pom-pom size, you have to increase the count also, length also. So for this particular 3 to 4 inches length, 180 count will be sufficient. And if you are increasing the pom-pom size, then you have to definitely increase the count of the thread. So like this, I am wrapping. So as I said, our 30 count is ready here. Now I have taken one extra thread, little bigger. So I have taken 2 layers. Because single layer will not hold this much density. When you are doing a very tight knot, it will break. So slowly remove off your pom-pom threads. So all together, holding tightly, you have to place in middle of this thread like this. And now we will be giving a knot. If you give a single knot again, while you will go for a further knot like second knot, it will become loose. That's why while giving the first knot itself, you have to twist it like twice or thrice inside the thread. So when you give this kind of knot, it will not get loose like this. If you see, 3 knots I have given, and make sure it will be in the middle of the thread equally and pull it out either sides. So this knot now will not go like a very loose or something. So second knot also you can give on this. Again turning back side, you can give another knot. So once it is done, we have to cut off all these joinings. So actually speaking, our pom-pom is ready actually, but you will not find that bushiness. So for the bushiness, we have to just do one small work over to this. So as I shown you, see that bushiness we will get now. This card sheet, whatever I told you, I have taken. See, you can see this. This will come in the middle size of the other pom-pom. So I am just drawing a circle, and 2 sheets I am taking like this, and cut it off. So 2 circle kind of sheets are ready here. So randomly I am keeping in middle one small hole. It is just a random hole to take out our long thread from this hole. this would be the middle. So now the excess thread whatever is there, we will be taking out from this hole actually. So this is just to support the while we are going to cut the excess of this woolen. So it will help us to hold, give the support to hold the pom-pom actually. So over to this, we will keep the second sheet also and make sure it will be evenly kept, like equally kept either side. Then we will go ahead cutting off the extras. So this how you will get the bushy kind of pom-poms actually. So this process definitely you have to do for getting that densy kind of a pom-pom. So while cutting, don't directly go to that circle, near to circle level. Just leave about 2 to 3 mm extra woolens and then just slowly shape it off. So once the initial cut is over, then again you can go ahead taking about 2 mm, shaping out like trimming all around the pom-pom. So this is how step by step you have to cut the pom-poms and shape it out. So as I mentioned, like you can't directly go to the circle part because once like the shape goes up and down, again you can't adjust it. So slowly, one step after another step, slowly you have to cut it out. So this is one side of the pom-pom only we did the shaping. Now if you take out the other side, if you do like this, the other side again you can see the up and downs in the pom-pom level of the shapes. So again the second side also we have to do the same process. Holding like this, just shape it out. So here the trimming will be very minute trimming you have to do because almost our pom-poms are ready, but only the excess you have to trim it out. So that's how. So you can see middle size of the pom-pom. So you can make beautiful multicolor pom-poms. Even you can make the single pom-poms also. So this particular pom-pom craft, like you can use for many things, like in the jewelries also you can use a simple kind of earrings with the hanging, and you can use in torrents based on the sizes. And this particular multicolor ones I am using as a artificial flowers to keep in a flower vase actually. So I am using actually that sticks to fix it. So fixing the sticks, I am just using it to decorate the flower vases. So hope the making process you like, and don't forget to comment, give a trial, and don't forget to share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching.